Ladies and gentlemen, how we doing today? Welcome back to another video, Outside Rides with a Z. We are on Greenwood Ave. We in Cambridge, Maryland. It's another day. Happy birthday to my brother. May 31st. We cruising, man. I apologize for the camera view on the last video. I done got things together this time, so hopefully we can make things shake, you know, until I get a head mount. But yeah, got a car behind me. What the hell? Hold up. I'm crossing over. Yes, I am. And I'm gonna get on the sidewalk. Ooh. Yeah, we rode past here yesterday. Might gotta stop and get something to drink, maybe. I don't know yet. But we outside. We going down Washington Street. See what we got going, man. We're gonna take a couple different routes. So we're gonna try. Cambridge is small, so I apologize. Yeah. And I'm crossing the street. Alright. I had to get low for a second. I want to get in the street. But hey, you gotta remember, I got a scooter, not a vehicle. Oh, that was close. If I hit that up, hey, we ain't gonna oh my God, these houses look like butter. I didn't see these houses. And I come by here a lot. Here we go, we get low again. Ooh. Something in my eye, I ain't gonna lie, something's in my eye. I hope I come across one of these food trucks. I'll go ahead and grab me some good eats and grab a good bite of something. You know what? Yeah, we're gonna go this way. Yeah. Oh. Too much power. Oh shit. I was slide. Why would I go on the rocks? I know better. I know too much better. I need to get on the right side. That's what I need to do. There are two more cars ahead. And I'm gonna try to get on the right side. It's rocky. Let me try it right here. Hold on. Damn it. I got a car behind me. Damn it. Cars behind me. Hold on. Oh, no. Just one. Not two. Just one. Here we go. We're in the street with her. Yes. Okay, I got a car creeping up behind me, so I'm gonna go ahead and sliver on to the left-hand side real quick. My left hand. Okay. We're gonna scroll downtown again. We're gonna scroll through. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna scroll through. Oh shit. Let me get up here before I get my nose knocked off. I don't need that happening at all. Alright, damn, where you going? Excuse me. Alright. Slip on through here. We got Pine Street right here. Alright. We're going down. Okay. I'm gonna try to have less cuts, you know, straight. Everything's raw. I mean, we ain't had none so far, so we've been doing good. So we're gonna shoot straight through. Alright. We rolling too, man. We rolling. 30, we hitting 30 right now. Let me slither on the left side. I know you're coming. I know. Okay, I got something in my eye, bro. What's up? I need some sunglasses. We got the boys over here. I need some sunglasses. That's what I need. What if they say, you, come here. Why are you recording? I'm gonna say, because it's y'all too. I'm gonna say y'all doing the same thing. Y'all got, you know what I mean? Oh, I do gotta go to that store. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go there for real. I'm gonna go there. On my way back. I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna make sure I stop there. It looked like he had like some type of powered e-bikes. When I rode through yesterday, he said all he had was scooters. So yeah, I'm going through. I'm pulling up. I'm gonna slither on right here. about having a good day. I'm gonna slither on through here. Ooh. Oh, no, this is tricky. All right, we good, we made it. If I didn't make that, ooh, I would have cried. All right, oh no, this is not good for my scooter. Boy, yeah. All right, we're gonna come through, we're gonna go through terror with it. We're gonna go through again, we're gonna go through. You know what I mean, we're gonna go through again. Last video, we came straight shot in that way. All right now, what's up? That motherfucking scooter was fire. Hold up, G. Hold up. I need one of them, cause my scooter, I mean, my scooter's alright, but shit. I need something that's gonna hit. Oh shit, hold on. I thought that car was coming this way. Y'all see me do the little weave. Y'all see my little weave action, right? It's a stop sign up here. I'm going, you going, I'm going, cause you going. Let me get up here, Weave. Got a nice little bar to the left. Coming through. Yes, sir. We coming through again. I gotta get off of this road. Oh, we got a flag. I dodged it. By the way, I dodged it. If I was to hit that shit, I would have been looking real stupid. Yeah, we're in a street right now, y'all. And I'm about to get behind this truck. That's a car behind me. I'm gonna slither on to the right. Thing is about having these scooters is long. Oh my God, not this road. Oh no. Let me get right here. Thing it is about, you know, having these scooters, you can literally, you know, Jesus, this street, I just knew coming down this way was gonna be a problem. But thing it is about these scooters, you can slither on through all kinds of traffic, you feel me? You can slither on through it all. Let me stop. All right, we got a court over here. See, I kind of want to. I'm not going down this street. So we're going this way. We're going to slither on down this way. Ooh, I know it's what you want me to do. What's going on? All right, you call me young brother. I'm a young brother today. All right, we got to stop sign. We're gonna play it cool like cars before I end up getting smacked. I don't want to get smacked. We got a nice view over there. They gonna say, you ain't no dang car, boy. I'm gonna say, I know this. I know. All right, we got some nice little food spots. I'm not going over the bridge unless it's clear. Like, wait, should I go over the bridge? I'm kind of nervous, bro. I'm gonna have to come all the way around. I'm gonna have to go all the way around. Should I do it? Hold on, let me look. Yeah, I'm going over. If that motherfucker gonna start going ting, 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 I'm doing the Vin Diesel speed jump. We're going over that motherfucker today. Oh, she rough. Oh my God, she's rough. Oh, hell no. Am I gonna be okay? Don't look down, just don't look down. Oh God. I was nervous. That motherfucker was looking at me laughing. Don't laugh at me. I was nervous. I never done that before. Especially on this scooter. I'm not coming across this bridge ever again. Hold on. I'm not coming over ever again. I got people laughing at me and stuff. Don't laugh at me. We got a nice biker. Okay, what you looking at? All right, we are out here. Oh my God, it's smooth. It's pretty smooth, man. It's smooth. We got a nice little field over there. Nice view. Big old boat. We got Carol's Motor Fuel over that way. There's a car coming up behind me. Watch the road get rough. Here we go. Hey, oh, not really. Oh shit, not really. Yo, I was so scared going over that bridge, bro. My stomach was tingling. My heart dropped. My nose said, ho, ho, ho. All right. Taking this nice ride for y'all boys. Ooh. Oh shit, what the fuck was that? What was that? I think I ran over a rock and it shot at, it like flew. Oh shit, oh. How you doing? Hold it down. Yes, thank you. I'm not going on no highway. I'm letting y'all know that right now. No highway. We don't do highway. Unless I get a e-way. I said e-way, unless I get an e-bike. Something fast. Like something very fast. We got a laundromat over there. All right. We cruising. I should go get a donut. Y'all like donuts from Dunkin' Donut? From a Dunkin' Donut. What the fuck? A squirrel scared the skin off of me. All right. I'm knowing this what you want me to do. Yo, we vibing right now. We vibing. Y'all make sure y'all leave a sub. Like this video, man. We gotta get this channel popping, man. Maybe we can get, you know, get other people to ride with us. That'll be fire. I just need something fast. I ain't riding with you if you got something that go 50. You know what I mean? Mine's only go like 20, about 20, 30. I can't do it. Know what I mean? Can't do it, bro. Y'all gonna be flying. It's my work route. I'll usually make a left, but not from this way. I'll usually be going shooting left, coming from the right. Yeah, I need a new scooter, y'all. We gotta invest in a new scooter or e-bike. Cause the one I got now yeah, it's like, yeah, I can't do it. You know what I mean? It took 2 bars from that little ride we just had, bro. 2 bars are missing. Yeah, we gotta invest in something new, but hey, man, nice little cruises, and it won't hurt for the little cruises, man. We don't need nothing too crazy right now. We got a taco truck over there. Should I go get the tacos? Give me a couple tacos. Shit. Nah, that's on him. Oh, we got another scooter rider up here. I was about to say, can I have my face back? But it was no need to. All right. Boom. That motherfucker ain't hear me. Okay. All right. Oh, we got a bike over here. What the? Let me hit the bell again. Ah, satisfying. We got a boat yard over here. The boat, you call it. It's a boat yard. Cruising. Yo, these boats, I want to get on one of these boats. They be sitting there like, come on, bro, let me get one. Let me get on one of them Jones. We're going to get on that boat, man. We're going to get on that boat. Yeah, we're going to get on the boat one day. We're going to get on a boat, man. I've been on a boat before, not a cruise. I've been on a boat before, though. I ain't rocking with them too much, though. I can't swim, so if something, you know what I mean? Uh-oh, Nathan. Oh, shit, Nathan. All right. Yeah, make room, share the road, share the road, share the road. Yeah, oh my God, I smell barbecue food. I smell barbecue and it smells good. It smell like juices, barbecue food, and good. Like, I can't stand this. What's going on? All right. All right. Oh, that's rough right here. One of the homies used to live right here. Oh, back downtown with it. I'm gonna stop at this store. Y'all make sure y'all leave a like on this video. Drop a sub, say what's up. I'm gonna catch y'all on this next video on outdoor rides with a Z. I say outdoor rides. This ain't no damn outdoor rides. This is outside rides. I'm tweaking. But yeah, subscribe.